Hi, it's Mushy. Today we're going to be reviewing the rectangle model for multiplication. If you would like to know how to use this method or this model to solve a simple 2-digit by 1-digit multiplication problem, then just keep watching. Our problem that we're going to be doing today is going to be a simple 2-digit by 1-digit multiplication problem. For example, 63 times 9. You can tell that this is 2 digits because there is 2 digits in the first part and just 1 digit in the second. If we were going to be doing a 2-digit by 2-digit multiplication problem, it might look something like this. 36 times 82. This method can be used for both 2-digit by 1-digit and 2-digit by 2-digit, but for the sake of this introductory video, we're just going to stick with the 2-digit by 1-digit, which is this one. Here's the problem we're going to do. 63 times 7. The first thing that you're going to want to do is you're going to want to draw a rectangle. Because this is a 2-digit by 1-digit, you're going to split the box into 2, 1, 2, and 1. Okay? The next thing that you're going to do is you're going to take the 63 and you're going to separate it into kind of like groups of 10. So you're going to look at the 6 in the tens place, and you should know that that's 60. So we're going to put 60 here, 6 tens. And you're going to look at the 3 in the ones place, and you're going to put it right here. 60 plus 3 does in fact equal 63. So that should be pretty clear for you. Over on the left side of the box, we are going to just put 7. Okay? Now you can put the 7 on the left side or you can put the 7 on the right side. I prefer to put it on the left. Next thing you're going to do is you're going to do some simple multiplication. 7 times 6 is 42. Don't forget to add your 0 though, because 7 times 60 does not equal 42. Alright, so make sure you bring that 0 down. 7 times 3 is 21. After this, you are going to add 420 plus 21, making your final answer 441. So 63 times 7 equals 441. Let's go ahead and try another one. We have 24 times 5. First thing you should do, draw your box, split it into 2 by 1 because this is 2 digits by 1 digit. The next thing that you're going to do is you're going to separate the 24 into tens. So you should have 20 and 4, and then you're going to put the 5 here. 5 times 2 is 10, but don't forget to bring down that 0. 5 times 20 is 100. 5 times 4 is 20. We add 100 plus 20 together, you should get 120. 24 times 5 is 120. Alright, let's do one more. And at this point, I'm going to be kind of walking you through it for the last time, but I want you to have out a scratch piece of paper or a whiteboard or something that you can do this problem with me. So we're going to do a little bit more difficult of one. We're going to do 71 times 4. Okay? So the first thing you need to do is write down the problem. The second thing that you're going to need to do is you're going to need to determine if this is a 2-digit by 1-digit. Remember, the way you can determine it is if there are 2 digits here, 7 in the 1, and 1 digit here. Alright? Once you figure that out, in your mind you should be thinking, oh, I know a strategy for this! The rectangle or the box or whatever you want to call it, whatever your teacher calls it in class. So you're going to go ahead and you're going to draw a rectangle. And you're going to split it into 2. Okay? Then you're going to look at your 2-digit part of the problem, which is 71, and you're going to break it into tens and ones. I always start with the tens. There are 7 tens, 70, and 1 1. Over here, you're going to put the 4. Go ahead and write that down. If you need to pause the video, you can. All right, everybody got that done? Excellent. So now you're going to have to use your multiplication facts, and you should know that 4 times 7 is 28. If you don't know your multiplication facts, it'd be a great time to learn them. Use cards, use apps, whatever you got to do to learn those facts. Now we're forgetting something. I hope that you've already recognized. 70 times 4 is not 28. You need to remember to bring down that 0 from your original problem. Okay, don't forget to do that. It's really important. It's going to mess everything up. If you didn't, then you would have told me that 71 times 4 equals, I don't know, 28. If you've remembered to do the 4, because 4 times 1, maybe you'd say 32. Both of those are wrong. I'm sorry, they're wrong. So far, you should have 280, and you should also have 4. Okay? Last part of the problem. Go ahead and add your 2 boxes together. Set it up. Make sure you line everything up. If you don't line everything up, again, it's going to be wrong. I'm sorry. It's not going to work. Okay? Go ahead and add. You should have gotten the answer 284. Ta-da! Nice job. In closing, please know that I know you can do this. I believe in you. And if you keep up the great work, you're going to be successful. You just have to keep practicing. I hope that you enjoyed this lesson. I hope that you know a little bit more about 2-digit by 1-digit multiplication. Check back on my channel for future videos. Thanks. Bye.